Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to TI Solutions. As a Zoho partner, we also provide a complimentary 30-minute consultation on Zoho Zakya support where we help you set up and streamline your retail operations. So, in today's video, let's check how to operate mobile store in Zakya and let's see an example by placing an order. Before getting into the video, let me explain about mobile store. Mobile store in Zakya will help customers from your neighborhood and beyond find your business in palm of your hands. You can create a mobile store with the products and categories from Zakya. It can be shared with your customers as a link that can be opened in any browser. This link will also be available as QR code. Mobile store in Zakya eliminates the dependency on any platform to take your store online and helps you manage your online store within Zakya. So let's check how to take the link from Zakya and let's try an example by placing an order using this link. So for that, under Zakya, you can see overview under mobile store from sales channel. Click on that and from there you will be receiving the link. Here you can see the link. I am copying the link. If you want to share the QR code, you can click on get QR code and share this QR code with the customer. And this is the preview of your store. If you want to customize the app, then click on customize app and you can customize accordingly. Now let's check how to create an order using this link and what will be the reflection of order in Zakya. So here I am choosing another browser, pasting the link. The customer can access this by signing using their mail ID and password. So here you can see our company's products. So here I am choosing a product from category and choosing another product from other category. All the added items can be viewed under cart. Click on that and all the selected items will be listing over here. I am proceeding to checkout. So to place the order, I am clicking place order. So I am proceeding to place the order. Now the order has placed. You can click on view order to see the details. So here as you can see the order status is pending. So when I get back into Zakya, under business you can see sales orders. So all the orders created from the mobile store will be listing over here. You can see this and the order status is pending. Click on that and mark as confirmed. I have confirmed the sales order and let's see what the order status for the customer also. So here I am just refreshing this. So while clicking view order details, the order has changed and it is now showing as yet to be packed. Next, after confirming the order, the invoice of the particular order will be created automatically. Now I am making the package. So I have created the package against this sales order. Now let's see from customer viewpoint. I have refreshed the site. Now click on view order. You can see the status has changed to ready for pickup. Next, after packing up, I am making the shipment. So here there are two ways of shipment: ship via carrier. All this can be integrated with Zakya. So here I am shipping it manually. You have to choose the carrier. You can provide the tracking ID if any. Then you can send the status notification to the customer. So once I have saved this, now I have created the packages and invoice, and from the package I can provide it as mark as delivered. So I am choosing that delivery notification to be received to the customer also. So you can see here from the customer's viewpoint, you can see the order as delivered. Next, what I have to do is, you can see the sale order also closed. Then I will be receiving the amount. Once you receive the amount, you can record the payment by clicking on the invoice. There is an option above that to record the payment. So here you can choose the payment date, payment mode, whether you have received it either cash or bank. Then choose the account to be added. Next, record the payment. So that's it. This is how we can create an order and proceed using the mobile store. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.